Assalamualaikum everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, a quick greetings lang to everyone. Happy New Year to everyone, and I hope you enjoyed your celebration with your family and friends. And for today's video, so just a quick get ready with me because I'm planning to visit my friend Ronel. May pasok siya ngayon and we don't have time para makapag-meet. And I think this is the right time na bibisitahin ko na lang siya doon. So, make like coffee-coffee, ganon. So, yun lang. So, get ready with me. Samahan niyo ako. So, first thing na ginagawa ko sa face ko is naglalagay ako ng moisturizer. So, guys, nakapag-cleansing na pala ako ng mukha ko. Nakapag-toner na ako. And after that, ito na yung nilalagay ko. Kasi kataas ko lang maligo, nag-toner na ako and everything. So, this one, I'm using it's CeraVe Moisturizer. So, I got this one in Noon. So, this is my ultimate on-the-go moisturizer. Kasi nga, super ganda niya sa skin and super talaga nakakapag-moisturize siya ng mukha. Yan. So, the next one is I'm gonna use this Dr. Rachel na niacinamide serum. So, this is sometimes I'm using this one as a primer base of my makeup. So, kumukuha lang ako ng konting ganito. So, I'm just getting this one. So, this one guys, napakaganda sa skin. Kasi na-moisturize niya na yung skin mo and nakakapag-less pa siya ng dark spot. So, I'm gonna put like this. Under eye. Saka ang dali niya mag-set guys. So, hindi siya sticky and everything. So, ito yung ginagamit namin. Nung nasa Qatar pa kasi ako guys, mahilig kami mag-discover ng mga product ganyan. Pero since na sensitive ang skin ko, pinapatry ko siya muna sa aking mga friends. You know what I mean? So, pinapatry ko siya sa aking mga friends kapag maganda and worth it siya. So, ako bumibili. Actually guys, etong gagamitin ko, hindi ako magpa-foundation but I'm gonna use this Lux Organic, etong tinted na sunscreen. Kung gusto mo na extra protection, you can use another sunscreen but for me, I'm gonna use this alone. And I'm gonna put only little sa aking face. Like this. And I'm gonna blend it. So, konting-konti lang yung ginagamit ko, guys. So, parang walang nagbago, di ba? So, tinted sunscreen lang siya, guys. Let's move on first sa aking powder. So, this is the best powder I'm using. It's Lux Organic, this one. So, it has also the SPF 50+++, PA++, like that. Napaka-full coverage niya. So, dinadump-dump ko lang siyang ganyan. And then, I will leave like this. Then, I'm gonna use this palette. I've been using this CC British Museum palette. Ganyan siya, guys. So, nandito na siya lahat. Actually, ito lang naman kasing ginagamit ko everyday. For everyday look. And the shimmer, sometimes, kunin ko lang yung shade na yon and then I'm gonna tap like this. Small lang. Then, I'm gonna throw the excess. Then, I'm gonna head this. So, ito lang yung ginagawa ko, guys. So, binablend ko lang. Nilalagyan ko lang ng kulay. Binablend ko lang na ganyan. Para lang malagyan siya ng kulay. Ganon. So, the other side, kuha ng konti. I think I'm good with it. So, After that, gagamitin ko tong Revolution Blush. So, meron kasi tong highlighter, guys. So, I'm using the highlighter para sa aking, this one, eyelid. I'm gonna get that one only. And I'm gonna put this one. And then the other side. So, yan. And then, I'm gonna blend that one using yung blending brush na ginamit ko kanina para tanggalin yung excess sa taas. Next ko, yung powder kanina, tanggalin lang natin siya. So, yung excess lang, tanggalin natin ng brush. Then, I'm gonna proceed sa aking eyebrow. Kunin ko lang ulit yung spoolie. Then, I'm gonna brush it up. Then, I'm gonna use this one. This is the Essence Stick Brow. So, I'm gonna use this. So, just on the head like this. The other side. Then, I'm gonna get my the spoolie again. Then, I'm gonna blend it here sa inner corner. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Then, we'll head to the eyeliner. So, I'm using this Essence Long Lasting. It's like a kohl eyeliner pen. Then, I'm gonna put it here. The other side. So, yan guys. Then, I'm gonna get this white eyeliner. And dito ko siya lalagay sa baba. So, the next one, it's, syempre, curl ko yung aking lash. Curl natin yung eyelash. Then, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Sensational Sky High Mascara. So, lalagay ko lang siya diyan. So, ayan guys. And then, sa aking lower lash. So, ganyan lang guys. After ng aking mascara, mag-blush na tayo. So, gagamitin ko ulit yung Duo Blush ng Revolution. So, magdidip lang ako. Then, I'm gonna put here. Ganyan lang. Yan. I think we're done. And the last part, of course, ang aking lips. So, naglagay ako kanina. Pagkatapos kong maligo, naglagay ako ng Vaseline sa aking lips to moisturize my lips. Yun lang yung ginagamit ko everyday. So, I'm gonna remove the excess. I'm gonna use first this essence. This in the shades 12 Golden Rose. So, maglalagay lang ako niyan. I'm gonna put first here on the top. So, ganyan ko lang siya nilalagay. And then, sa bottom. Kumbaga, parang ginagawa ko siyang lip liner. Pero, bukod dito, eto, lalagay ko din tong, galing din siyang Essence, guys. So, this is in the shade of 07 Classic Red. So, lalagay ko lang siya sa middle. So, yan lang. Ganyan lang ang aking daily. And then, I'm gonna use this CC setting spray. Gamit na siya, guys. For almost, I think 6 months ko na to. 6 months na to. Ganito. This is from CC, guys. Nabura na nga yung pangalan. So, I'm using this one as a setting. I don't use setting spray sa eyes. So, I'm gonna cover that one and I'm gonna set this. Then, on the other side. So, yun lang, guys. So, yan, guys. Very simple. This is my everyday look. And, yeah, magbibihis lang ako and then we'll go. So, guys, I'm done and this is my outfit. So, outfit check. So, yan, guys. We are good to go.